I'm about to wash this car, and I don't want to hear nobody talking about I don't know how to wash a car because I do. Okay? Okay. So I gotta get it off, y'all. So I don't get four quarters anymore? Okay. So I guess you only get a token meal. I thought you get four quarters, but it's all good. I think I should just put it on rinse and just rinse it off. I don't do this. Either Trail or Tavion do. Okay, y'all, I got the grass off. He'll never know. He'll never know. Should have blow dried it off with that blow dryer thingy, the little yellow thingy. But it'll be okay. Bye, y'all. It's Saturday.